Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. The new upcoming most exciting flagship lineup, the Apple iPhone 17 series, is set to get 3 upgrades or changes in the smartphone display. Apple's upcoming iPhone 17 lineup could see a noticeable change in design language and display features. This was claimed by a renowned leaker. Let's dive into the video for new upgrades and launching details. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. A well-known tipster on the Chinese social media platform Weibo, digital chat station, has hinted that Apple is working on bringing thinner bezels and a reworked dynamic island. Additionally, support for 120Hz ProMotion displays for all 4 models is also expected in the iPhone 17 lineup. The leak suggests that Apple will no longer reserve ultra-slim bezels for its premium Pro models. Instead, all iPhones launching this year, including the standard iPhone 17 and the thinnest variant, iPhone 17 Air, could feature sleeker borders around the screen. This would be a departure from the design approach Apple used with the iPhone 16 lineup, where only the Pro and Pro Max models benefited from reduced bezels and larger screen sizes. Apple is also tipped to bring the 6.3-inch screen size to the standard iPhone 17. Apple will introduce thinner bezels across the board becomes more feasible. In addition to the bezels, the leak also mentions a redesigned dynamic island across the lineup. While the details remain unclear, the leaker's mention of UI hints at possible software-level changes, rather than a complete hardware overhaul. Apple might shrink the size of the dynamic island in some models, particularly the iPhone 17 Pro Max, as it works towards integrating Face ID under the display. However, this is the first time someone has suggested that all iPhone 17 models could get an updated version of the dynamic island interface. That said, Digital Chat Station is primarily known for hardware-related leaks, so it's uncertain whether the mention of UI changes is based on internal knowledge, or simply a prediction based on hardware modifications. All 4 iPhone 17 models are expected to feature LTPO OLED panels, which not only allow variable refresh rates but also enable features like always-on display. Whether Apple brings always-on support to non-Pro models remains to be seen, but the change to LTPO is a step in that direction. The iPhone 17 lineup is likely to be launched in September 2025, only if Apple sticks to its usual release timeline. As we get closer to the event, more clarity is expected around how these display changes will be implemented. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.